Now let's continue talking about pronouns in Egyptian Arabic. And to make it easy and clear for you, let's mention first the pronouns in English and the equivalent of them in Egyptian Arabic. In English, there are three types of pronoun. One of them is the possessive pronouns, like my, your, his, her, its. And we already learned the equivalent of them in Egyptian Arabic, which are the possessive ending. For example, اسمي, اسمك, اسمك, اسمه, اسمها. And the other two types of the pronouns in English are the subject pronoun and the object pronoun. And let's take an example to demonstrate it. In English, for example, if I say, he loves her, he is the subject pronoun. Here is the object pronoun. And the equivalent of the subject pronoun in Arabic is أنا, أنت, أنتي, هو, هي. Now let's learn the equivalent of the object pronoun, which called attached pronouns. The good news is that they are the same as the possessive endings, except pronoun me. Let's take an example. And in the example, I'll use I teach, which means أنا بعلم in Egyptian Arabic, with all the object pronouns or attached pronouns. I teach you masculine, أنا بعلمك. I teach you feminine, أنا بعلمك. I teach him, أنا بعلمه. I teach her, أنا بعلمها. And as we see, they are the same as possessive endings, except this. If I want to say, I teach me, أنا بعلمني. So here, we end with me. Also now we can see why they called attached pronouns, because they come attached to the verb, or attached to the word. And note, the attached pronouns that we have talked about is which are attached to verbs or question words. And we still have another attached pronouns that we will talk about them later, not now, which are attached to the prepositions. Now it's the exercise time. How do you say the following in Egyptian Arabic? We will use I here, which means أنا بسمع in Egyptian Arabic with the examples.